guys, my name is littlehooliagan, and today I will be filming an unboxing video on something that I impulse bought on Instagram. As many of us do, I was scrolling through Instagram, an ad pops up, and if you're like me, I'm pretty gullible to like really cute products, and most of the time it doesn't work, but I saw this ad on Instagram by a company called Beluga Design. They make cool skins and like covers for Nintendo Switches. So as you can see, I have the normal blue and red neon Switch. And at first I really liked it. I wanted more color, so I obviously chose this one over the gray Joy-Cons. But over time, I saw so many pictures of people having like cool skins on their Switches. So when I saw Beluga Designs, I was scrolling through their website and I finally found one that really resonates with me because it combines two different things that I love, which you guys will see in a bit. The package finally came in. I ordered it. I think it took maybe like a week or two to get to me, so not that long at all. I honestly thought it would take a lot longer. So we're gonna unbox this, and I'm really excited to show you guys how I put together the new skin on my Switch. Guys, this is so freaking cute. You see that? So first of all, I really liked how easy it was to put it on. At first I thought I would like struggle with putting on. I didn't know this company like actually made really good quality products, so I was kind of scared and skeptical that maybe I got something that was like cheap. But no, this is actually really sturdy. It clamped on to the Switch and the Joy-Cons super easily, as you guys could see in like the unboxing. If you need to know anything about me, is that I love Shibas and I love sushi. I can't get over how cute this is, sorry. It like combined two of my favorite things in the world. Besides the perfect like shiba sushi, shiba food like the shrimp tempura, Japanese dumplings, sweet dumplings, and then the shiba rice ball, and the ramune shiba. But besides those, I also love how it's on the Joy-Cons too. They have the little repeated designs that are like kind of pale in the background. I love it. So when you buy your cover, you can also choose whether or not you want these thumb covers, the paw print covers that I got. I've been wanting these cute paw prints for like the longest time, ever since I saw people online have these. I've always seen videos on YouTube of people putting like actual skins where they have to like stick it on their Joy-Con and everything, and they have to be super careful about that. And I was actually kind of worried about having to do that myself because I really did want to change the color of my Nintendo Switch. But this way, I could easily just pop it on my Switch, and if maybe down the line, if I want to have another cover and I get tired of this one maybe, I can just pop this off really easily. I don't have to go through any kind of removal process that's like super complicated or difficult. So this like definitely reduces a lot of risk that I could have with changing the color of my Switch. Yeah, this is pretty much it for my video. If you guys want to check out Beluga Designs, I'll leave a link down in my description. I highly recommend to check that out if you're looking to just have a different design on it. Loads of different designs, not just like cute stuff like this. They have like really cool painting designs, gradients, all sorts of different colors. So this has been my unboxing for a Beluga Design cover for my Switch. I am definitely going to enjoy playing all my games on this now, especially Animal Crossing, because I'm finally getting back into that. Leave down any comments below of any suggestions of other videos that you guys want me to film. I love reading all of your comments. It really makes my day, and I love replying to them to make your day as well. Also, right now I think I have like almost 270 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. So I just want to say a quick thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and actually enjoying my content. I really just want to create content that makes other people happy, make people laugh, just bring some kind of joy into your day. And so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!